This one mod completely changed how I pack for my camping trips. You want to check it out? Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Burn the Map Adventures. If you drive a two-door Jeep Wrangler, you know how tight space can get. From camping, overlanding, even a weekend trip, every inch counts. So today, we're gonna do something about it. We're gonna install a shelf in the back, maximize our space. Let's get right into it. The idea is simple. Split the cargo area in 2 levels. Heavy gear on the bottom, lightweight gear on the top. Simple as that. This storage shelf is made from a company called Vector Offroad, made in the USA. Lightweight aluminum construction, weight tested to 230 pounds without failure. These are the tools required for installation. First, we remove the hardtop bolts with the T50 Torx wrench and attach the bracket with the original factory bolts, keeping everything finger tight for now. Match the same on the other side, making sure the long part of the bracket faces towards the front of the vehicle. Now we bring in the shelf platform. I rested on these boxes to get it level with the holes. Now we grab a bolt, washer, and lock nut for each hole, keeping everything finger tight as well. These corner brackets help reinforce and also attach to the roll bars, keeping everything bolt-on installation. No drilling required. Once all the hardware is in place, we can level out the shelf and begin wrenching everything down. And just like that, it's ready to pack. Honestly, this thing took about 15 to 30 minutes to install, super easy. It's probably easier with someone else, but for me, I had to kind of prop the shelf up on a box and make do. But we got this thing in there and it's looking really nice. The shelf basically doubles my amount of storage because after I stacked up all my bins and crates and coolers in the back, there was a lot of dead space above and I couldn't quite figure out how to maximize it. Now with this thing in here, I have a good spot for my water tank, my organizers, my battery, my Coleman stove. It just keeps things nice and secure. I can run a strap. There's a bunch of different hook points around here. The shelf was a super minimal upgrade that actually maximizes a lot in my back. So this shelf was a really big upgrade to my setup. One thing I'll say is it being aluminum, it tends to make a lot of noise with stuff rattling on the trails. So what I did was I lined it with a carpet that minimizes all rattling and makes it super quiet on the trails. I would say that's the first upgrade I would do to anyone buying this that does a lot of off-roading because I can't stand the sound of metal clanking on metal. So highly recommend lining it with something non-slip as well so it's not sliding back and forth. Obviously you can strap everything down, but having that carpet minimizes it from sliding all around. So that was like an Amazon purchase that was super cheap and easy and quick to do. Self-adhesive strip on the bottom and good to go. That about wraps it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe below and we'll see you out on the trails.